Hi everybody, we are going to do a section B question now, which is the expansion of a polynomial x square y plus 3y minus 2 in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Basically, in this question you must be wondering what are the values of a and b. Look at the formula. You have x minus a and y minus b here, and instead of telling a is 1 and b is minus 2, they are asking us to expand it in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. So automatically comparing this with this, you get a is 1 because x minus a, x minus 1. So a is 1 and y minus b, compare it with y plus 2. So b becomes negative 2. So have the habit of writing b in one way. Okay, so b is negative 2. So we got the values of a and b, and you are asked to find the expansion up to third degree term. Even otherwise, even if they do not say this, and if this has appeared in section B question, you need to do up to 3 terms, and generally they will tell you in the examination. But if it is in section A, you do up to 2 degree terms, and if it is, or maybe linear they will say, and but if it is a section B question, you are supposed to write up to third degree term. Okay, and this has come in for 12 and 2004, 2012 and 2011 and university papers. Okay, so you have to do very carefully and very slowly. So this is the only tricky way of asking the question. Otherwise they will just give the function and they will give the values of a and b, just you have to do it. This is one more way of asking the question. Expand it in terms of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Therefore you find out a is 1 and you find out b is negative 2, and we are going to write the expansion after this as usual. Okay. I'll tell you one easy way of memorizing the formula also, because you will not be given formula in the examination. You can just look at it. In the first line, it is linear, so x plus a, y plus b. Okay. Second line is like a plus b whole square expansion. A square plus 2 times ab plus b square. It looks like that. So you can memorize it easily. And your third line looks like a plus b whole cube expansion. And what is a plus b whole cube? Is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So does it look like a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube? Okay, so that part we have understood how to memorize. They will not ask you fourth one, so don't worry about it. Okay, now how do we memorize this part? The first one is fx of ab, fy of ab. That. Okay, then when x square is there, it will be xx. When xy is there, it will be xy. Okay, when y square is there, it is yy. Okay, and how do you memorize this? X cube is there, so xxx 3 times is there. X square y. How do you memorize? X square. So xx y, and x y square, which is x y y, and this is y cube. So y y y. I'll give you a minute. You can write down the formula on your own, and then please check it, and then we can continue with the class. Okay. Hope by the time I erased the board you recollected the formula. So anything you memorize, generally formulas we will memorize only. Everybody memorizes, even I memorize. But with some sense, if you memorize, you will not forget it, and suddenly in the exam you won't have confusion. X, X, Y, X, Y, X, I, X, all those confusions will not be there. Always memorize with some logic. That's what. Okay. So hope you understood how to write this and you would have practiced it. So let us start doing the problem now. Okay. So first is f of a comma b. So what is f of a comma b? F of 1 comma negative 2. What is f of 1 comma negative 2? Just to substitute. Basically very simple. Minus 1 power 2, y is minus 2, plus 3 times minus 2, minus 2. What is this equal to? Minus 2, minus 6, minus 2. And one more thing children, please remember, when you do the calculations, start from left, keep on doing, okay? Don't do in between. So we will do minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So I got the first answer ready. I'll write it in one side and keep it because I think it will be difficult to search inside the board. So let me write it in this part and keep it ready. So f of 1 comma minus 2 is minus 10. But in your notebook you can go as our previous plan by writing a rectangle, because in the paper you cannot write it in the side. You keep on doing this, but when I erase the board I cannot search it, therefore I am writing it down here. Okay. So f of AB is done, okay, which is minus 10. Hope you understood this. So now we are going to do fx of AB, okay. So for that I need to do fx of xy to start with, okay. Now I am going to differentiate with respect to x partially, okay. So you know y is a constant, let me put it to start with, and 2x plus, what is the derivative of 3y? 0. And of course derivative of constant is 0. So now I need to know fx of xy. I need to know fx of 1 comma negative 2. So what is fx of 1 comma negative 2? Just plug in x2 as it is, x is 1 and y is negative 2, which is negative 4. So you will write in your notebook fx of 1 comma negative 2 is negative 4. Draw a rectangle and keep it ready, which I will be keeping in this corner. Okay. I need this derivative, so I am just erasing this part, and fx of xy is nothing but 2 times xy. So I have to keep this, so I am keeping it. Okay. Now I need to do fy of AB. Now let me do fy of xy to start with. What is fy of xy? Fy of xy is differentiate this partially with respect to y. Okay. So x square is a constant. Keep it. What is the derivative of y? 1 plus 3 times derivative of y is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0. So fy of xy is nothing but x square plus 3. Now I am supposed to do fy of 1 comma negative 2. Okay. So what is fy of 1 comma negative 2 is nothing but x place you just plug in 1 square plus 3, which is nothing but 4. So you will write fy of 1 comma negative 2 is 4. Draw a rectangle and keep it ready. Fy of 1 comma negative 2 is 4. Now I have fx. I will copy this in this line so that I have the derivatives on the board. X square plus 3. So this is not required. Okay. Now your first line is finished. Okay. Now I am going to do fxx of AB. Before that, you know, we will be doing fxx of xy. Okay. So this is first, this is second. Do not forget that we have done this here. Okay. From this step I am supposed to do this. Okay. So second derivative of this with respect to x. You know 2y is a constant. So better write it, and derivative of x is 1. So fxx of xy is nothing but 2y. Now I am supposed to calculate fxx of 1 comma negative 2. What is it equal to? 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. Okay. Please write with some distance only, let it not mix with equal to. So fxx of 1 comma negative 2 is negative 4 and draw a rectangle, keep it ready. So let me note it down on this side. 1 comma negative 2 is negative 4. Okay. So we have done fxx of xy is 2y. I am just erasing this 1. And this part is done. Now I need to do fxy of AB. So fxy of xy, let me do first. What is it equal to? Fxy of xy means I have differentiated with respect to x first, then with respect to y. Please remember, when it is the suffix, it is from left to right. Okay. So x is done here. So y I need to do. So differentiate this with respect to y partially. So when I want to do that, this is a constant. Let me write it. And derivative of y is 1. So fxy of xy is 2x. Okay. So what is fxy of AB? Is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So fxy of 1 comma negative 2 is 2. Draw a rectangle and keep it ready. Where are we now? We are here. Okay. So fxy of 1 comma minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now we have fxy of xy is 2x into 1 is same as 2x only. So let me erase this part. Now next one we have is fyy of AB. What do you mean by fyy of AB? Which is fyy of xy. Let us do first. Okay. Now means we have differentiated with respect to y here. We are going to differentiate it once more with respect to y. So when I am going to do that, it's easy now. X square plus 3. So it's x is a constant, you know that. So what is this derivative? 0. So it's easy for us. And what is fyy of 1 comma negative 2? That is also going to be 0. So let me note it down. fyy of 1 comma negative 2 is 0. Okay. So you have to be just careful when you do the partial derivative. That's all. Now second line is completed. Now f=x of AB. Okay. So when I want to do fxx of xy, I do first, you know that. So fxx is ready here 2y. I need to differentiate it with respect to x. What is the derivative? Can you guess quickly? Yeah, it is 0 because 2y is a constant. When you differentiate it with respect to x, this is going to be 0. So easy for us. So fxx of 1 comma negative 2 is 0. Hope you are drawing the rectangle and keeping the answers ready. fxx of 1 comma negative 2 is 0. Let me erase this part. And what is next? fxxy. Okay. So fxxy of xy. So where 2 times differentiated with respect to x already. I am going to take that term. fxx of xy. That is this line. Okay. This line. Okay. Xx is done here ready. So we are going to differentiate it with respect to y now. So derivative of 2y with respect to y is 2 and there is no variable. So it is easy for us. Of 1 comma negative 2 is 2. Okay. So fxxy of 1 comma negative 2 is 2. Okay. Then 2 more are there. Very simple. Next is fx of yy is fxyy is there. Okay. fxyy. of xy we do first, you know that. Okay, what is fx, x of y, xy of y? Where is xy? Xy is here. Okay, so this you need to differentiate with respect to y. Again, it's easy for you. Why? Because I am going to differentiate this with respect to y, but it is in x, so I know it is 0. So simple for me. So fx y of 1 comma negative 2 is 0. Keep it ready. This place is also full. Okay, let me note down from here. Okay, I have to note this down. I'll copy from here when I write. Okay, now one more is left out, so let me finish quickly. Fy of xy is 2 times y derivative is 0, so easy for me. So this is also 0. So fy of 1 comma negative 2 is 0. So all are ready now. Just now my work is to just plug in all the values in the function and complete the calculations as much as possible. Okay, I think only these two are required for me. So let me erase this part. And note down those two here. fxy of 1 comma minus 2 is 0. Fy of 1 comma negative 2 is also 0. Okay, now I can erase completely. So we are going to now write the expansion of this. Okay, listen carefully. X is f of xy equal to x square y plus 3y minus 2 equal to, very careful, f of ab, f of 1 comma minus 2. What is it? Minus 10. Copy it here. Plus 1 by 1 factorial, open a bracket, x minus a. What is a for you? 1. Okay, so x minus 1 into fx of ab. Fx of ab is negative 4. Okay, then you have y minus b. So it will become y minus minus 2 is y plus 2. So what is the sign in between? Plus. Y plus 2 into fy of ab. Fy of 1 comma minus 2 is 4. Plug it in here and close it. Okay. Plus, let us go to the second line. 1 by 2 factorial into x minus a the whole square, which is x minus 1 the whole square into fxx of ab is minus 4. Plus 2 into x minus 1 into y plus 2 into fxy is 2. Plus y plus 2 the whole square fyy, what is it? Where is it? Fyy is 0. So your second line is completed plus your last line. Plus 1 by 3 factorial into x minus 1 the whole cube. F triple x is it should be 0. I think this is f triple x. I have written as y. Just change it. F triple x is 0 plus 3 into x minus 1 the whole square into y plus 2 into f xxy is 2. That's why you should follow the order. You will not make a mistake. 3 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 the whole square into fxyy is 0 plus y minus b the whole square, which is y plus 2 the whole square into f triple y is 0. So we have substituted all these values into the equation. Okay. Now we just have to simplify this. That is very, very easy. And please remember, you should have x minus 1 and y plus 2 as it is. You will not be simplifying it completely, like you will not add. We have plugged in the values. So plugged in 3 into x minus 1 f x y y is 0 and y minus b the whole cube into 0. So because f triple y of AB is 0. So once you have plugged in all the answers in this, just we have to simplify. Okay. Please listen to me how I am simplifying. So this is negative 10, nothing to do there, and 1 by 1 factorial is 1. This is 1 by 1 factorial is 1, so no need to worry. So this is minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 4 plus plus. So 4 into y plus 2. Okay, coming to the second line, plus 1 by 2 factorial is 2, because 2 factorial is 1 into 2 is 2, and this is minus 4 into x minus 1 whole square. Minus 4 into x minus 1 whole square. You can write this, or even if you write 2 factorial also, it is correct. Okay. So the next term is 2 into 2 is 4 into x minus 1 into y plus 2. Plus 1 by 2 factorial into 4 into x minus 1 into y plus 2. Just I am multiplying and leaving it, that's all. Next term is 0, so no need to write. And coming to this line, this part is 0, no need to write. Only this part I have to write. Other two parts are 0. So this is plus 1 by 3 factorial into this part I need to write. Okay. 3 times 2 is 6 into x minus 1 the whole square into y plus 2. Just you can cancel out the numbers and give the answer, or you can leave it like this also, or you can cancel this part, this will become 2, cancel this part, this will become 2, cancel this part. 3 factorial is 6, you know that. So remaining one you can just copy and complete it. Minus 10 minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into x minus 1 into y plus 2 plus x minus 1 the whole square into y plus 2 plus etc. Okay, and you can stop it there, and hope you understood the formula. Hope you are thorough with the formula, sort of memorized it, and you can write it down on your own now, I expect that. And when it is, it's worth solving it because it will be in section B question. Okay.